Following a public health alert for a downtown Columbia restaurant, ABC 17 News is going behind the kitchen door to look at COVID-19 health order violations.
ABC 17's Molly Stowanoga dug into 3 different inspections at Room 38 Restaurant and Lounge.
And she found that each inspection claims the business broke the rules.
On that third inspection, the health department brought police to Room 38 since they said education wasn't working. They've only done that with one other establishment, Harpo's, but there they didn't find any violations. They did at Room 38.
They just basically stormed us and started kicking people out, but my team handled it appropriately, got everyone, out as, I guess, politely as possible.
That inspection happened on May 22nd after multiple complaints. I got my hands on emails in the health department. One complaint is from a person who went there on Friday, May 15th. They said it was packed full. Room 38's co-owner, Billy Giordano, said that while he respects the need for capacity restrictions, there needs to be understanding that in restaurants it is fluid.
It's probably not a perfect science, and we know that we are definitely not perfect at it. But, we're working hard to do everything we can, again, to just survive this pandemic as a business and an operation while trying to keep people safe.
The 2 other inspections happened on May 4th and May 8th. At both of those, health officials said they talked with managers about how to abide by occupancy and social distancing orders. That included no bar seating, marking tables out of commission, and no groups bigger than 10. But at the third visit, inspectors said they were not obeying occupancy nor social distancing guidelines. Health officials and police kicked people out of the restaurant, removed all bar seating, and said if the restaurant is non-compliant again, they would take further action. Then last week, the Department of Public Health and Human Services issued a health alert.
The whole circumstance that's kind of been elevated was this press release that went out and told people that if they were here 4 days in a row or within those 4 days that they were subject or exposed to COVID, when it was simply one guest who was here who was also a patron of other establishments and an employee of another establishment, yet none of that was made public record.
Room 38 told me that they are trying to follow their coronavirus protocols as usual. You can find their restaurant's guidelines up on our website, abc17news.com.
That was ABC 17's Molly Stowanoga reporting. Now, he tells us that none of the staff at Room 38 have tested positive for COVID-19.